I'm going to show you how to set up your gradebook with a straight points calculation. This is the simplest of all the gradebook setups. I'm going to go pretty quick, so if I start to get ahead of you, make sure you use the pause button. First place we're going to look is over here, and we need to click on Assignments. Notice there's this list of 3 menus here that we need to work our way through, and we're going to start first on Teacher Preferences. You have a couple options you can set here. Make sure that you set Term Final to be the default grading task. And this is very important. This is the web address of your Moodle site, of your blog, of your Google site, whatever you use for your classroom. You need to copy the entire URL, including the HTTP, and paste it here. Save those changes. That's the first menu. The second menu, Edit Grade Calc Options. This is the confusing one. So what we need to do is click the Show button. And notice right now there's no calculation happening on our gradebook. So what we need to do is we need to select Calculate in Progress Grade. And we need to apply a grading scale. Let's use the HHS curve that's required by the building. Now you have a couple choices to make. I told you we are doing a straight points gradebook, so we're not going to weight the categories. So we leave that unchecked in this case. And I really don't think anybody is going to be using this checkbox. This does crazy things to the calculation of your gradebook. Real quickly, it treats a 5-point reading check as the same weight in the gradebook as a 200-point final exam. So I don't think you probably want to be checking that. And just click Fill All. Notice everything got filled in for you. Just click Save. Moving back to the assignment list, we have one more menu to address, and that's Edit Categories. Let's click on it. I already have 2 categories created for the sake of time. Your gradebook needs at least 1 category. So if you're doing the 1 category gradebook, you could just call it coursework. I like to separate out tests and quizzes, writing, and I want to create one more that I'm just going to call homework. And I leave the weight as 0 because I'm not weighting. And I want to apply it to my Modern U.S. History section and to the term final. Term final is really all we care about. And I want to save the category. Back to categories. Now I have 3 categories that when I create an assignment, I can say it's either homework, it's a quiz, or it's an essay that the students have to write. Now, if you do choose to weight your gradebook categories, notice there is a weight column here, and you would set that there, but we aren't weighting, so we're just going to leave it all at 0. Thanks for listening.